what are the latest processing times for a variety of different cases? That is what we're going to be talking about on this video, because I know that many of you are anxiously waiting for your case to get approved and you're sending in your comments, and we're trying to keep you updated as much as we can through that. But that's why we decided we need to make a video just to answer your questions. Stay tuned to get the latest processing times. And my name is Kaushik Ranchad. I'm an immigration attorney that's been practicing for over 20 years. And you're going to hear about I-130s, I-45, I-601As, N-400s, U visas, DACAs, and more on this processing update.
We will begin with the I-130 petition processing times. As of June 9, 2023, the I-130 petition of a U.S. citizen filing for a spouse, parent, or child under 21 is taking 14.5 months at the California Service Center, 14.5 months at the Nebraska Service Center, 16 months at the Potomac Service Center, 13 months at the Texas Service Center, and 14.5 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-130 petition of a permanent resident filing for a spouse or child under 21 is taking 26 months at the California Service Center, 16 months at the Nebraska Service Center, 26 months at the Potomac Service Center, 27.5 months at the Texas Service Center, and 37.5 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-130 petition of a U.S. citizen filing for an unmarried son or daughter 21 or older is taking 77 months at the California Service Center, 26.5 months at the Nebraska Service Center, 36.5 months at the Potomac Service Center, 42.5 months at the Texas Service Center, and 42 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-130 petition of a permanent resident filing for an unmarried son or daughter 21 or older is taking 65.5 months at the California Service Center, 35 months at the Nebraska Service Center, 35.5 months at the Potomac Service Center, 41.5 months at the Texas Service Center, and 42 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-130 petition of a U.S. citizen filing for a married son or daughter is taking 106.5 months at the California Service Center, 38 months at the Nebraska Service Center, 36.5 months at the Potomac Service Center, 44.5 months at the Texas Service Center, and 44 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-130 petition of a U.S. citizen filing for a brother or sister is taking 83.5 months at the California Service Center, 22 months at the Nebraska Service Center, 37 months at the Potomac Service Center, 43.5 months at the Texas Service Center, and 113.5 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-485 Adjustment of Status Application Family-Based is taking 21 months at the Sacramento Field Office. The I-485 Adjustment of Status Application based on U visa is taking 22 months at the Nebraska Service Center and 24.5 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-601A application for Provisional Unlawful Presence Waiver is taking 38 months at the Nebraska Service Center and 43.5 months at the Potomac Service Center. The I-601 application for waiver of grounds of inadmissibility is taking 24.5 months at the Nebraska Service Center. The N-400 application for naturalization is taking 11.5 months at the Sacramento Field Office. The I-918 petition for nonimmigrant status, also known as U visa, is taking 60.5 months at the Nebraska Service Center and 60 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-360 VAWA petition, which means Violence Against Women Act, is taking 33.5 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-821D DACA Renewal petition is taking less than 3 months at the Nebraska Service Center and 23 months at the Vermont Service Center. The I-612 application for a waiver of the 2-year foreign residence requirement based on exceptional hardship or persecution, known as J-1 Exceptional Hardship Waiver, is taking 12 months at the California Service Center and 36 to 52 weeks with Department of State. Make sure to share this with a friend who may need this information, and I will see you next week. You are truly amazing because by taking the time to watch this video, you're bettering yourself. By bettering yourself, you're bettering your family. And by bettering your family, you're bettering the world. Thank you and bye for now.